Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to the next video in my course. Today we're going to talk about Thingiverse, which is brought to you by MakerBot. What this is it's an entire universe of 3D printed files where you can basically print, download for free, and then print on your own 3D printer. Or you could even send it to, for example, 3D hubs or shapeways, print it out on different materials. So if you don't want to 3D design anything or 3D scan something, you can just come here, look for something someone's already made and shared, and print it out for yourself. I mean, there's some really cool things here. If we just check out some of the random stuff they have, sorted by popular recently. There's some really cool stuff. Got this titanium falcon, cable protectors. I mean, this is useful stuff that you can make for free with a 3D printer. A nice lamp, just stick a light bulb in there, some dice, little shark multi-purpose clip, elephants. I mean, there's so many cool things that you could print for free, and all you need is a 3D printer. Got a wrench. Yeah, so, but what if I wanted to share some of my 3D designs around the world and have other people like and discuss and share my own creations? Well, I can just upload my own thing. And uploaded my pawn file. Yep. Pawn piece. Spelled that right. Pawn piece. Category. We're gonna go with sports. Chess is a sport after all. Yeah, Creative Commons, yeah. No license. You know, basically just fill in all the details and then literally you can print. And I mean, add your tags. You can even add how you created it. I mean, this thing is nice. This thing is nice, but I can just right away publish it. Bam. Now other people can come here, find my file, and print out their own pawn piece. How cool is that? Alright, thanks guys. Thanks for listening, and check out Thingiverse.